Hey everyone, so I know you guys can probably see I look extremely different, very Barbie-esque. But I know if you follow me on Facebook and I don't believe I mentioned it on Twitter, but I did say that I was going to change my hair. I was going to come back with something extremely different. So this is what I came up with, and my hair is purple at the bottom and pink at the top. So I wanted a purple and pink ombre effect. I didn't go deep in depth with a tutorial for this hair because this was my first time doing a, I guess, full cap wig on myself. So I didn't know if it was going to come out looking good. I am very pleased with the finished product, but you know, this is what I came up with, and it's just, I basically colored, cut, style, installed everything myself. So for a first time, I say that it does look rather decent. So I guess my next color that I may try may be turquoise, but the color that I use for the bottom of the hair is Adore in Violet Gem number 114. So if you guys like this color, then you guys can go pick that up. I also used a hot pink, which is not quite sure of the number because they put, okay, 81, number 81. They put a alarm in front of it. So the hair that I used is Hot Topic. I used 14-inch, 613 mixed with a 27. It is premium Yaki. I don't plan on keeping this in like for months and months, or maybe even over a course of 2 weeks I may take it out. So I didn't feel the need to go get Remy hair. It's not that big of a deal. It's just as long as the hair held color. You know, that's basically what I was looking for. And this is what the hair started out as before I installed it. So as you can see, it does have the ombre effect to it. It is purple at the bottom, pink at the top, and of course you can still see the blonde. So hope you guys like my new hair, because I am loving it. Get your life. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you, and hope you guys like it, and hope you guys dare to be different. Basically, now I will say I do have a light brown cap on. I didn't want to use a black cap for this because of the blonde hair, and this is basically glued on. So I'm going to be whipping this, getting my life, making them gag. So you guys, just being silly. But anyway, thank you for watching, and as always, please subscribe to my channel, and check out my makeup page on Facebook. It's Makeup Lover, and I will see you guys later. Bye.